Welcome to Kalebuka in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Here, in the small corner of the world, something extraordinary is happening. 12 years ago, the Malaika school opened its doors for the very first time, giving girls like me a chance to get educated. The day I first stepped into the classroom, I was given the opportunity to expand my mind and dream big. You see, this is more than just about educating a girl. It is about the courage we build, the voices we amplify, and the futures we shape. To me, Malaika is a door to a brighter tomorrow. I'm part of sisterhood, a family that supports each other. We are dreamers, believers, and change makers. We are scientists, artists, leaders, and athletes. Through the power of education, we are changing the narrative. We are proving that girls can achieve anything. Together, we uplift our families, our communities, and our nation. We are not waiting for change, we are creating it. What we make my mark on the world.